Create an infusible ink cushion cover using Cricut. Step 1. If you have a design, upload it to Cricut Design Space following the on-screen instructions. Step 2. Clean up the design in the background remover screen, then proceed with the upload process. Step 3. Go to the Images tool, type in the name of the image you just uploaded on the search bar, select it and click Add to Canvas. Step 4. Once the image populates on the canvas, click on the Images tool again, search and select one you want to use and click on Add to Canvas. Step 5. Zoom out for a better view, then position the image on the design and resize it. Step 6. Right-click on the image and select Send Backwards. Step 7. Then rotate and reposition the image to make the design flawless. Step 8. To add other elements to the design, click on Shapes and select a circle. Step 9. Resize and reposition it, then right-click on it and select Send to Back. Step 10. Unlock the circle by clicking on the lock icon in the bottom left handle, then reshape it. Step 11. With the circle selected, click on the Color Swatch button in the Operations section and change the color. Step 12. Select the other image, click on the Color Swatch button in the Operations section, click Advanced and change the color. Step 13. Select the first two images and click on Slice, then pull apart the images. Step 14. Next, select the design and the other image and click Slice, then pull the images apart. Step 15. Select the main image in the middle and click Weld to connect the sliced pieces together. Step 16. Click on the Color Swatch button in the Operations section and change the color. Step 17. Put the design back together, select all and resize it from the toolbar. Step 18. When you're ready, click on Make It and reposition the design in the Prepare screen. Step 19. Turn on the mirror in all the mats, select the first mat, then click Continue. Step 20. Click Browse All Materials, search and select Infusible Ink Transfer Sheet, then click Done. Step 21. Peel off the protective sheet from the cutting mat and place the Infusible Ink Transfer Sheet onto the mat. Step 22. Smooth down the sheet onto the mat using a brayer and load the mat to the machine by pressing the blinking arrow button. Step 23. Wait for it to load, then press the flashing play button to start cutting. Step 24. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat, flip it over and peel the mat off the material. Step 25. Repeat the same process to cut the other parts of the design. Step 26. Once done, trim off the excess material from the sheet and weed out the design. Step 27. Assemble the different parts of the design in the main design. Step 28. Next, turn on the heat press, set the temperature and the timer. Step 29. Place the easy press mat on the bottom, then place the cushion cover on top. Step 30. Place a cardstock inside the cover to prevent the infusible ink from transferring to the inside and the back of the cover. Step 31. Grab a lint roller and roll it over the surface to remove hair, lint, or anything that may impact the design. Step 32. Press the heat press on the cover for 15 seconds to preheat and wick away any moisture. Step 33. Take the design, place it upside down on the cover and center it. Step 34. Place butcher paper on top, then press the heat press in light pressure for 60 seconds. Step 35. Remove the butcher paper and peel off the clear liner. Step 36. And your cushion cover is ready. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480